Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending habits with PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard and available features. Navigate to the wallet section to view your linked bank accounts and cards. Consider removing any unused payment methods to limit impulse spending. Set a budget for your monthly spending and write it down for clarity. Use the Activity tab to review your recent transactions and identify spending patterns. Look for subscriptions or recurring payments that can be canceled. Explore the Reports section for insights on where you tend to overspend. Consider setting up notifications for transactions above a certain amount. Enable alerts for your account balance to monitor how much you're spending. Use PayPal's Money Pools feature to save for specific goals, such as travel or large purchases. Consider creating a separate account for discretionary spending. Limit your use of PayPal for non-essential purchases to maintain focus on your budget. Set daily or weekly spending limits within your financial plan. Take advantage of PayPal's security key for additional security, which can help you think twice before making impulsive purchases. Review your financial goals regularly to stay aligned with your budget. Use PayPal's Buy Now, Pay Later feature cautiously, ensuring it aligns with your financial strategy. Commit to reflecting on purchases after a designated period, like 24 hours, to avoid impulse decisions. Consider joining online communities or forums focused on budgeting and financial discipline. Regularly update your budget based on changes in income or expenses. By following these steps, you can leverage PayPal to cultivate better spending habits and create a sustainable financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.